What is scalar energy and why it matters for your well-being? Have you ever felt that there might be more to energy than what we can see? Every day, we're surrounded by Wi-Fi, phone signals, and electromagnetic waves. But there is another kind of energy, one that doesn't travel like a wave, doesn't need wires or contact, and works quietly in the background. This is called scalar energy. Scalar energy is not electricity or magnetism. It's a subtle, invisible field that carries information and supports the body's natural ability to restore balance. In physics, the word scalar means something that has strength but no direction. Temperature and weight are both scalars. Scalar energy works the same way. Instead of moving from point A to point B, it forms a still field, a quiet space that holds information without motion. Think of light passing through a window. The glass doesn't move, but the light still reaches you. A scalar field works in a similar way, present, stable, and quietly effective. Scalar energy is different from electromagnetic waves. It doesn't vibrate in a way that common EMF meters can detect, but that doesn't mean it isn't real. Many important things like intuition, consciousness, or calm can't be measured either, yet we clearly feel them. Why does this matter for health? Your body is not just physical. It is also a system of communication. Your DNA has a spiral structure, similar to an antenna, naturally responsive to subtle energy and information. When scalar energy is present, the body absorbs only what it needs. Nothing is forced. This gentle support helps the body reconnect, rebalance, and recover. People often associate scalar energy with deeper rest, calmer moods, improved energy, and greater resilience, not because something is imposed on the body, but because the body is given space to regulate itself. AHA Halo works by creating a personal scalar field around you, without wires or contact. The field is strongest within about 1 meter or 3 feet and gently fades beyond that. It's like being inside a quiet information bubble that supports your body throughout the day. Small, silent, and easy to use, AHA Halo works quietly in the background. It doesn't push or force change. It simply creates a supportive space and your body does the rest. Scalar energy isn't loud or dramatic. It's subtle, steady, and calm. And sometimes, that quiet support is exactly what the body needs.